Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an early look at the upcoming Vivo S2, a smartphone that's expected to combine flagship-level performance with premium cameras and a massive battery. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Vivo S2 could become one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. Let's check out everything it may offer. Starting with the design, the Vivo S2 is expected to feature a sleek glass back with a premium metal frame, giving it a stylish flagship appearance. The phone may come in elegant colors like Sapphire Blue, Regal Bronze, and Silk White. On the front, rumors suggest a 6.59-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling through social media, gaming, and watching videos should feel incredibly smooth. The OLED panel is also expected to deliver vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness for outdoor use. Inside, the Vivo S2 is rumored to be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 or a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 depending on the market, paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. For everyday tasks like multitasking, video editing, and heavy gaming, performance should be smooth and responsive. Popular games such as BGMI, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact are expected to run comfortably on high graphics settings. The phone is also expected to run Android 16 with Vivo's latest custom interface, offering smoother animations, AI-powered features, improved privacy controls, and better battery optimization. Now let's talk about the cameras, one of the biggest highlights of the Vivo S2. The rear camera setup is expected to include
50MP main camera, 50MP telephoto camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera.
This combination should deliver detailed daylight photos, excellent portrait shots with optical zoom, and wide landscape photography. For selfies, Vivo may include a 32MP front camera, capable of capturing sharp photos with natural skin tones. Video recording is expected to support up to 4K resolution, making it suitable for vloggers and content creators. Battery life looks equally impressive. The Vivo S2 is rumored to pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which could easily provide a full day or even 2 days of regular use. Charging is expected to be handled by 80W fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge and get back to work or entertainment. Additional expected features include in-display fingerprint scanner, 5G connectivity, dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support,
AI camera enhancements,
premium build quality. So, based on the latest information, the Vivo S2 appears to be a powerful all-round smartphone with a premium OLED display, strong cameras, flagship-level performance, and an enormous battery. Of course, since these are still rumored specifications, we'll have to wait for Vivo's official announcement to confirm the final details. If you're planning to upgrade your smartphone this year, the Vivo S2 is definitely one to keep an eye on. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more realistic smartphone reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.